Hey, how's it going? It's pretty frustrating when you meet people and they tell you that they're having a problem and you know that what you have can solve their problem, and you explain to them the simple steps that they need to take to get things going, but they refuse to take any action. It's extremely frustrating, but I realize that this is why they have the problem, because they're praying to get a solution to their problem, but when the solution comes, they just ignore it. So it's just gonna be a constant cycle. So hopefully you're not one of these people and you can follow simple instructions and not afraid to take action. Anyway, take care and see you on the next video.